please don't switch off recording so I can share it to you. So now again I'm going to repeat it, all of you. Let's see. In this case, what you can do is, we have to use B dimension is given, that is 230 mm. Then you can use D is equals to 400 mm. Dia of bar, how to make dia of bar? So dia of bar, we know the diameter available in the market. So 6, 8, 10, 12, 16, 18, 20. This all the diameter of bar is given. Now what we have to do? First of all, you have to go to the data. Then you have to go to data validation. Again, go to the data validation. Over here, you have to mention list and then just pick the source. After getting the source, just select the source like this and press double enter. So you will get this kind of switch over here. So you can select it, dia of bar. Right now we have 16 mm dia bar. That's why I have written 16. Number of bars, again in this same you can do. In number of bar, you can make same kind of data validation. So again go to the data validation, again go to the list, again select this and again select this number of bar and press enter. So over here in our case we have 3 number of dia, so that's why 3 number of 16 mm dia bar. We have to determine the value of moment of resistance. That's why I'm going to make this Excel sheet. So now AST. So how to determine the AST? So equals to, first of all, number of reinforcement. So 3 into pi by 4. So for that you have to just write down pi bracket, then you have to just write down pi by 4 into d square, d into d square, and just press the enter. So you will able to get the answer of this. Again data validation, so you will able to make the switch like this. Over here we have grade of steel is 415. Over here we have the grade of concrete is 20. Now XU max. So how to determine the value of XU max? So for that you have to use one equation, that is a XU max. So to determine the XU max, we have to make use of VLOOKUP command. So I'm going to use VLOOKUP. That you have to just make a bracket. Then it will ask about the lookup value. That means we have to determine the value of, we have to insert the value that we have to find. यानी कि इसमें क्या होता है कि आपको ये हमें पूछ रहा है कि कौन सी वैल्यू मुझे फाइंड करनी है. So for that you have to give this cell as an input. That means you have to find this value from which table. So again it will ask about the which table array, from which table it has to find value of 415. So we have to give the table. So this one is your table. From that Excel will find the 415 value. So that's why we have to give the table array. Again go to the comma, and again you have to go to the column index number. So again Excel is asking that I have found the value of 415, but for 415 from which column I have to find the value. So what we have to given, column number 1 or column number 2. Right now we have 2 column. That's why we have to just write down 2, because we have to find the value of 415 for column number 2. That means we have to find the value of 0.48. Then just again give the comma, and we need exact analysis. That's why we have to use FALSE, false, and just close the bracket and go to the into and D, because XU max is this 0.48 into D. So 0.48 into D is your depth of section. So D, and just press the enter. You will able to get the answer 192. So that we have determined in the with the help of this calculator, and our answer is 192, and you can cross check it with 192. Okay, is it okay? 192.
Okay, sir.
Now what we have to determine? We have to determine the value of XU. So XU determine करने के लिए we have the equation, that is equals to first of all make a bracket 0.87 into Fy. So Fy is mentioned over here. Fy into AST. AST is also mentioned. Bracket close, divided by another bracket 0.36 into FCK. FCK is given into B. B is also given. So just close this and just press the enter. So my answer is 131.51, and you can see we have calculated it, and our answer of XU is 131.51, exact answer. Now let's see 131.51. This is our mm. This is our mm. This is our Newton per mm square. Newton per mm square. M square. and this is also Newton per mm square, and this is your mm square. Okay, so now let's determine the relations, type of section. So how to determine the type of section? So section is under reinforced, over reinforced, the balance section, that we have to determine. So let's first of all write it down, is equals to, if bracket this is greater than this, clear, then what we have to write down? Over reinforced section, ORS, comma. Again you can see this formula, if logical test, clear, then what we have to do, again I am going to rub this all, and again I am going to explain you. We have to use if command, if else, jo ane to, clear. So if bracket, if your value of xu, એટલે કે આ વેલ્યુ આપણે ટેસ્ટ કરાવવાનો છે, કયો ટેસ્ટ કરાવવો છે? તો if this is less than this, then section is, જો આ આના કરતા इससे कम है, तो what we have to write down? Over here you can see value if true, जो આ condition સાચી હશે, if this condition is true, જો ये condition सही है, तो what we have to use at this location? We have to use, this is under reinforced section, clear. This is less than this, then our section is under reinforced section. Again double inverted comma we have to insert because we want to display a text, that's why double inverted comma is there. Again comma, if value is false, if this one is false, then what we have to do? Again I am going to use same command, if this equals to this, comma, balance section, BS, I'm just write down BS, balance section, and then just comma, and value is false, so over reinforced section, ORS. Just I'm going to give this and press enter button, so you will get these. Again one comma is required, and again enter. So you can see over here type of section, which section is this? Under reinforced section. I'm just going to use under reinforced section, yes, and over reinforced section. Now look at this, under reinforced section automatically આવી ગયું. હવે માની લો કે આપણે અહીંયા આપણે ચેન્જ કરીએ, so I'm going to change this xu, so that depends on the xu ને વધારવો છે મારે. So what I'm going to use, I'm going to change the diameter. So diameter I'm going to, number of bar 6. So look at this, automatically section is over reinforced section, clear. So again I am going to use 3 number of section, so under reinforced section, અને balance section કરવું છે, so I am going to use this 4 માં બી નહીં થાય, that I am going to use for 5 માં over થઈ જાય છે, so 4.5 something કંઈક આવશે, so 4.5 197. So you can manage it and you can find it out કે exact balance section અહીંયા આવી જશે. So for that I am right now I am exactly writing this 192. Look at this, balance section IU automatically, clear all of you, how to determine this type of section, clear?
Yes sir.
Now this is your task, that you have to find out the moment of resistance. If your section is under reinforced, then how to determine automatically moment of resistance. If your section is balanced or over reinforced, then how to determine the value of this type of section, clear? And over here also it will mention that if this one is under reinforced section, then automatically over here some remark is there, and in remark automatically will appear that redesign, automatically this will appear. That is your task. Now you can do it from your side. Is it okay? Are you getting my point or not?
Okay sir.
Yes sir.
Yes.
Okay.